Hello from Little Italy, Maggiano's restaurant.
In St. Louis, Missouri.
I don't know why it's funny. I had to look back before we did this. I was told by people at work that this is a really good restaurant, so why not? We're here.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we're Echo Travel Ventures. We are a travel channel out of Nebraska.
Yep.
And we try to bring you guys as many travel videos as we can. We're not really foodies, but it's really cool to go to cool restaurants like this. We really need to see what they offer.
And if you're here, then you know where to go to.
Yeah, exactly. It's over there by the Galleria. But guys, we have reservations, so we're going to run over there and grab our reservations real quick. But if you are new here, don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.
And start a discussion with your fam. We love seeing those comments, and we get super excited. We try to reply back to them as soon as we can, but sometimes it's hard because we're on the road. Yeah, for sure. You guys enjoy this video. All right, we are here at Maggiano's. We lived in Italy for 3 years. You would think I would know how to speak it a little bit. So this looks like it's family style dining. So $34.99 per person. Ages 5 to 12 is $17.99. So you got the antipasto, the first choice. You have like mozzarella marinara and all those kind of goodnesses. You have a main course with some pastas, entrees, and then we have the desserts. Entrees look pretty good. I've never had veal parmesan. I do like veal, but Is that why we're here?
no, I didn't know it until then. Amber asked, I don't know if you heard, but she asked if I picked this restaurant because of the veal, which is not. I do enjoy veal. So we got vino. We have classic cocktails. They have red and white, and they got Bellini and sangria. And it looks like they have a la carte menu as well. They have starters here, salads, the pasta, and then the classic dishes. They do have seafood items, steak and veal, chicken, and then we have our sides. So do you think this is going to be authentic?
We'll see.
It's kind of cool. The atmosphere is really neat. I like it.
It kind of feels like, what's that? Tony's restaurant
Oh yeah.
in Magic Kingdom. Like,
Yeah.
because the tablecloth looks like it and stuff.
Yeah. Maybe we'll see Lady in the Tramp.
So then I gotta get spaghetti.
Yes. So we asked about the family style. Family style is required for 4 people. And we don't qualify because we only have 2 people. And Amber got a peach lemonade. She said, it's good. So we just ordered our food. Amber went straight up basic.
Spaghetti with meat sauce and 1 meatball.
1 meatball, and they are beef based,
Beef, yeah.
not
Like
sausage.
in Epcot in Italy. Sorry, but I think I got sick off of that.
Yeah, because that was really sausagey.
It was not good.
So I was very torn between the chicken parm. Hi.
Now you know what it's like.
It was torn between the chicken parm, the veal parm, and the chicken Alfredo. My fear with getting the veal parm was that it was $31, and I didn't want to like buy it and then not like it. And she's like, "Oh, that's fine. Well, you could have gotten something different."
She says that the kitchen is made to order.
Yeah, and they wouldn't have mind me sending it back if I didn't care for it, but I can't do that. So I ended up getting the chicken Alfredo.
And then we got the meal for 2.
Yeah, so they did have a meal for 2, I believe, and you get the salad.
Salad or appetizer.
Yep.
2 entrees and a dessert.
Yeah, and we get a dessert too.
Yeah.
Fudge. I was not ready for that one.
He got a margarita pizza.
I did.
And
margarita flatbread.
Oh, okay. So
and
it's kind of like the same.
Yeah.
But it's mozzarella.
And basil and tomato.
So
and
it's how do it, Brian? A real margarita.
And then Amber got Caesar salad.
I got a Caesar salad.
And so this bread is very Italian. It's really good.
Put it in olive oil, but there's no seasoning.
I know.
There's
the seasoning and all of it.
I was really hoping that we get those breadsticks. Remember those breadsticks?
Yes, with the water. What's that water? What's the water
Oh,
called?
San Pellegrino.
But it's not the...
Not the sparkling that you can get at the stores, but the natural.
The other one is so freaking good.
Oh, especially, but the one that not the Napoli store or restaurant at Epcot, but the other one, they actually have it. Remember, we got a whole bottle.
Which other?
The one that we went to for our anniversary. Yes, that one.
I don't remember.
I'll put it down below if I can find the name of it.
I'll show you the restaurant.
Boom. This looks so good. This margarita pizza. Delicious. Amber forgot it. We were recording and she goes, "Hum."
I took a bite.
And she started mixing it and tossing it and stuff. But that looks pretty good. I'm not into eating salad. But that looks pretty good too. Bon appetit. So let me tell you, this is bomb diggity. Oh my goodness, it is so good. It's, I don't even know how to describe it. The sauce, it's very light on the sauce, but it's really, still really, really, really delicious. Really, really delicious. Amber, how's your salad?
It's a good salad. It's like an authentic Caesar salad.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
You know what? You know what my fear is?
Huh.
That with the size of the salad, your side salad, and the flatbread, the food's going to be outrageously huge.
That's why I stopped myself.
I only ate 2 slices. I'm like,
I'm a little scared. And we have dessert.
We had dessert. Man. Is it gelato?
I forgot what was on it.
Oh.
Because I thought we were doing individual things. I didn't even...
Then she goes, hey, we want to save you guys money. We want to group you together.
Mm-hmm.
Which I appreciate.
Mm-hmm.
But, oh my god. I'm scared.
I know.
Alright, so this is the chicken Alfredo. It looks really good, actually. It's delicious.
And I got the spaghetti with meat sauce and 1 meatball. That's meat. Beef meat, yes. You just tried yours? How was it?
Chicken's really good.
You just tried the chicken?
Mm-hmm. Looks really good. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
Alright, we're checking in. The chicken is actually kind of still a show here a little bit. It's not horrible. Pretty good. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Spaghetti Works. A little bit. But, it's not horrible. Amber?
Spaghetti was super good. Tapping out. It doesn't look like I ate anything, but I really did. I ate a lot. She said that most people cannot finish this at all. So, there we go. I tapped out. We still got dessert. I know, I told Brian we're probably gonna have to go on like a small walk after this.
This new mic is actually pretty cool. We're able to isolate the sound, so Amber's talking to me and I didn't have the mic facing me, but it's okay because it's still... Yeah, it's quiet enough in here. It's actually, I kind of like it. The atmosphere is really cool.
Dark.
Yeah. But over here in the corner, it is a warmer day today. So I don't know if they didn't anticipate because they over here in this area is a little warm. But all in all, though, it's a really cool restaurant. Very old, you can tell. Alright, so this is the dessert menu. So with this, the 2 for whatever package that we got, you can't do the mini sampler. But here's the other stuff. You got the warm apple croissant. I think that's a baked apple, isn't it? New York cheesecake. You have the Gigi's butter cake. Chocolate layered cake. They don't have the chocolate truffles. They're out. They have creme brulee, tiramisu, Vera's lemon cookies, and vanilla ice cream. We are stuffed, so we're probably going to ask if we can take it to go. Well. We got our dessert to go. It was the cheesecake.
Brian chose it. And you get strawberries and whipped cream on the side.
You do. Everything else looked really good, and I think the chocolate would have been way too rich. And so...
Even the creme brulee that they had.
Yeah.
A lot of food.
Yeah.
So prepare yourself if you guys decide to come here or make a reservation, have room in your tummy.
Yes. So with the deal that we got, they call it the Marco special, I believe that's what they called it. That was $43.50. So we got all of that food, the 2 appetizers and the dessert for $43, which is about what you would pay at Olive Garden.
Yeah, and you got a lot more food than Olive Garden, and I think it's a little better quality. Like, the spaghetti was freaking awesome. It looked a lot when it came out.
Yeah.
How was your Alfredo? Pretty good?
It was really good. I liked it a lot. That chicken was really seasoned. I think I said it before that the chicken really stole the show a little bit. Now we tasted your meatball. It was
different.
There's a holding agent that kept it together. I couldn't pinpoint the taste.
No, but I think I got flashbacks from when I had the sausage meatball and I didn't really want to try the meatball. So after I had the meatball, I just kind of lost my appetite and I was like, you know, I'm done.
Yeah.
Even though I was already kind of starting to get full and tapping out already.
I mean, it had a good flavor. You could tell that it's beef, not sausage, which was really, I think that was good because me and you don't really care for Italian sausage. So now if you're looking for a meatball when you come here, just know that it's beef. It's not Italian sausage. But all in all, though, I think it was really good food.
The flavor was really, really good. The noodles were cooked on point.
Oh my God.
It did take a little while, and for some reason, our server said that the restaurant was warmer than usual.
Yeah.
So I think that didn't really help.
No.
With us trying to eat, and then we got fuller quicker.
Yeah.
So I don't really think we ate as much as we thought we did, because it was pretty warm in the restaurant.
Yeah. But all in all, guys, you made it this far. Thank you so much.
Would you go again though? That's
I would come here again. I would. Would I come here over Olive Garden?
This is probably like a special thing.
Yeah.
For us, just because there's so much food, and I feel really bad for wasting all that food.
Yeah. But, guys, I mean, you know, and we made the comment about Olive Garden. So, Olive Garden, we never get a...
You know the light's on you.
Oh. We just realized that. I thought I'd turn them both on. When we go to Olive Garden, we never get a dessert, and we never get an appetizer.
Hardly ever, yeah.
So, and we spend about the same price that we spent here, so you do get more food, like you said. So, but again, guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. If you see anything, if you've ever been to a restaurant like this, let us know what you guys chose, because or if you even tried the veal parmesan, I really didn't want to spend that much money on it, but let me know if you guys enjoyed it.
Or just leave any comment, like what you want us to see us do in St. Louis or in Missouri or somewhere that's close, or like somewhere out, I don't know, in Tennessee and Idaho. I don't know. But we love seeing those comments. So please start a discussion, or you can always email us, follow us on TikTok or Instagram.
Yeah, we're really active on there.
More active on there, yes.
Yep. And then yeah, and we're also starting to upload our TikTok videos into our YouTube channel. So that way, if you don't have TikToks, and a lot of people don't like TikTok, you'll still be able to see our TikTok videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out our video. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.